Hello, brothers and sisters. Thank you. My name is Bamba, and if it is your first time to be on my channel, I would like you to follow me because today I'm going to present you one of the great business on the world. Because what I'm going to tell you today maybe can change your life. My name is Bamba, and I would like you to follow me on my channel because I will give a lot of training about personal development, about the business, about the investments. Okay. Why I present you this company? The company that I will present you today is Global Technology Innovation. Excuse me, my English is not very good, but I will try to speak myself. I will try to improve, to help you to understand what I'm going to say now.
Wat vieren we eigenlijk? Het is de eerste verjaardag van Global Technology Innovation. Een jaar geleden zijn we begonnen met Global Tech in Dubai.
En ik moet zeggen, chapeau voor Sven en voor Johnny.
Et voilà, j'invite vraiment tout le monde à participer à cette société, à ne pas hésiter.
Global Technology Innovation is one of the best companies in the world. I know the founder, they live in Belgium, and they are the good guy. Most of the company on internet, you invest your money, and what they do after, they run with your money. The content of the presentation, it is about the company, why Global Tech, why you have to integrate this company, how does it work, the GT, the Global Tech ecosystem, our cryptos, the reps, the main Global Tech product, the global car, affiliation program, matrix bonus, man bonus, royalty bonus, team bonus, sal bonus, global car bonus, extra bonus, career bonus, quick start bonus, dividend bonus, payout, and how much can you make? Conclusion. There is a lot of bonus you can get if you follow this presentation with Sorio. This can change your life. Let's go. Global Technology Innovation. This company based in Dubai. 2019. Okay. In the past, if you want to integrate this company, normally you have to pay 21,000 euro to integrate this company. But today they open the company to permit people, normal people, to integrate this company, make money, and change their life. And that's why I said that it is a good opportunity. If you want to integrate the company, you have to try to find who is the founder, what is the program, what is the objective, where they go. It's very important you make a search. But me, with this company, I make a search, and everybody can make a search, but if you want to find the good information, you have to follow the leader. You have to find the good leader and follow him, and it will show you the way. And I'm a leader because I make this research and I know what I present you now. If it was a bad company, I will not present you this company, because it's very important for me to help people. But I know that it's only by helping people you can grow. It's very important. You have to be a good man, to succeed in what you do. You have to be serious. Okay, why Global Technology Innovation? Global Tech dream is to help its member become more financially independent by offering an assortment of products that will fit any person necessity. Global Tech is also involved with the modern charity in USA, which is promoting universal basic income in Congo Brazzaville. This company they make money and they help people in Congo, you know, to have a good situation, you know. That means if you work with this company, you will help people, you know. It's very important. You get money, you have to give. You have to give, you know. Life is like this, okay? Follow me. How to integrate this company, okay? The registration on this company is free now, okay? Okay, before start working with them, you have to, after the registration, for the new member, you have to pay 85 euros one time. You will pay the main product of the society, who is 51 euros. Now, and you can work with all the product of the society, but the reps, who cost 215 euros, is very important. You know, it is a bomb. This will help you to grow, but you will get money with it. Okay, let's go. Now you are on the company. The ecosystem of global tech based on two cryptocurrency token, GT Plus and GT Fortuna. Okay, the GT Plus is the internal currency. The member buy product with GT Plus, the member withdraw the earning in GT Plus. Okay, it's very important. The GT Plus is the crypto that we use on the website. Okay, we use also GT Fortuna, but GT Fortuna is a token that reflects the value of the company. GT Fortuna pay a weekly dividend in GT Plus, okay, but both token lists on the regulated public exchange, which name is BitBlinks. Okay, it is a kind of a blockchain. Okay, that mean the two crypto is regulate. You know, is regulate. It is not the founder who decide the price of the GT Plus. No, that depend of the matrix, that depend on the member. Okay. Now the return on quickly part, okay? Multiple access in one product, multiple source and income, okay? The software, okay, because there are on the crypto, also e-commerce, cryptocurrency, blockchain, real estate and automotive, okay? On this company, if you are on this company, you can get a car, okay? You can get a car. They call it Global Car. It is the first car leasing company that accepted crypto payment. If it is your first time to register on this company, if you have money on your account, okay, you can buy your car. The car is available in Netherlands, in Belgium, France, Switzerland and Spain. That means all the person who live in Europe can use the cars. Very important. Okay, all is included on the price. They give a good price. All is included on the price. The push-up, the insurance, the tax, okay, the maintenance, drive a new car every year, multi-brand and model. Do you imagine? Each year you can have a new car to make the promotion of the company. You can have a new car to have a better life, you know, and there are a lot of cars is possible with this company. Okay, many persons on this company took the car, you know, to grow the business. That's why it's very interesting. You have to follow me. Okay, let's go. The affiliate program, you know, the affiliate program. Okay, in the matrix we have a lot of possibility, infinity leg and 4 level. Your personal sign up qualification. 1 sign up, you earn on 1 level. 2 sign up, 1 and 2 level. 3 sign up, 1 to 3 level. 4 sign up, you earn on level 1 and 4. 5 sign up, the first career bonus. Very important. We have the bonus the bonus, loyalty bonus, team bonus, career bonus, quick start bonus, salt bonus. We have a lot of bonus on this company. That means if you work correctly, if you develop, okay, you can get a lot of money. If you don't develop, you will get also money, but now that means you have to just to invest your money and you will get the dividends. It's very important. The reps, the dividend of the reps, we call it the loyalty bonus. The rep with SP after 6,000 euro payout. Very interesting. One reps pay you 9 euro per royalty. The team bonus on every rep sold in your matrix. Level 1 you get 5 euro, level 2 you get 10 euro, level 3 you get 20 euro, level 4 you get 40 euros. Very important, very important, very important. Okay, you will get a lot of money on the team bonus also. Okay, total payout 75 euro and every rep sold in your team. Can you imagine? Team bonus in unlimited split 70% available and 30% on reserve. You know, that means that you have on this company, you have two accounts. You know, you have the available account and the reserve account. The reserve account is using to help you to grow. Okay, I will explain you later. Don't worry, be with me. Okay, the global car bonus, that means if you help people, if in your team people decide to take the car, they give you bonus. For every global car ordered by your direct referral, you get 4% on the invoice amount. Unlimited direct referral, unlimited salt bonus, your earn or salt bonus on every contactor. That means all the person on your team will take the car, you get money. Okay, it's very important. And we have extra bonus, a lot of bonus. You can see all the bonus we have the career bonus, the quick start bonus, the direct start bonus. You can read it and you will know that we are here now is a serious company. They don't run away with your money. They don't run away with your money because we know them, and since 5 years this company work. And they are here. They continue to work. They continue to help people. They continue to make business. Very important. Career and quick start bonus will be paid into your reserve account. Very important. And automatically buy new reps or income for you. That means the system buy the reps for you to help you to grow, to get a lot of money. Very important. Okay. And all GT Fortuna and or Fortuna Master and receive GT Plus and dividend. That means we say that the GT Fortuna is one of the creators of the society. Okay, but look at one of the manner to make money with this company. That means Fortuna Master. Fortuna Master is very interesting. Okay, you can buy one Fortuna Master and receive higher dividend. That means one Fortuna Master is 50 GT Fortuna. You have to say the price of the GT Fortuna on the website. I make a lot of money with Fortuna Master, and I continue. Today I buy also Fortuna Master. Master dividend 1 euro per Fortuna Master per week. Payout in both 100% available account. That means if you want to make 100 euro each week with this company, you buy 100 Fortuna Master. Okay, and 100 Fortuna Master give you this money. Okay, we have an available account and we have a reserve account. Withdrawal available fund. Okay, no withdrawal for compound and grow. That means in this you can take it immediately. Okay, you can make a withdrawal, and here the company keep it and buy reps for you and help you to grow. Okay, and you will get what we call the compound effect. Okay, once your reserve account reach 215 euro, another reps is automatically push off compound effect. Okay, we have also the team bonus and sal bonus as slip 79 and 30. 70% available account. How much can you make? Example, calculating how much you can make. Okay, we have a loyalty bonus. Rep is 215 euros, become 600 and 138 euro. The compound effect. Once you have one reps or more, your reps will start compounding automatically. Reps will start to compound automatically. Okay, excuse me for my English. Okay, that means you grow with the company. Okay, how much you can make? Example, calculating how much you can make. The team bonus. Every member make a push off of one rep per month. Okay, example, team bonus. Each member you get by funnel. Okay, by following this you get 11,880 euros. Okay, it's possible with this company. Okay, just present or just invest. You invest and you can stay home. The business will help you. We can make passive income here. And we are also the global car. The global car pay you for 4%. That means 5 referral data will leave the global car. Average leasing price 5,000 euro per year. Sal bonus 4% is you get 200 euro. 5 clients. That means 1,000 every year. Okay, there is an example. Okay, an example to show you what you can make with this company. That means you choice. With this company you can work or you can stay home. If you stay home you will get money because you invest your money, but if you move you get a lot of money also. All is possible. In conclusion, how to make money: direct sal bonus, team bonus, global cap bonus, sal bonus, career bonus, quick start bonus. How to make money passively: earn loyalty bonus, earn dividend, capital appreciation, DAP and GT token, global tech token. Save money with global car, very important. Thank you. Follow me. I would like you to, on the description on this video, you can find my link, okay, to register it, and the group WhatsApp where we can work together. I wish you good luck, and I hope you will make the best choice. My name is Bamba, and I love global technology innovation. Thank you very much.